Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements, and of course, sa ating mga cross-watchers, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Welcome or welcome back po dito sa Bottom Magus PH. My name is Angel Francia Feliciano. Now, in today's video, Aquarius, alamin natin kung ano yung magiging kapalaran ninyo para sa buwan ng Marso, March 2025. Kapalaran sa inyong love life, kaperahan, trabaho, negosyo at kalusugan, Aquarius. Kay paalala lang, Aquarius, sa lahat po na mga nanonood, cross-watchers, lahat po ng tarot readings ko dito sa YouTube ay general reading lamang. So, ibig sabihin, hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. Ayan, kunin lang kung saan kayo nag-resonate, Aquarius, at iwan yung hindi. You have the Ten of Cups. Wow, it looks like there's a blessings na matatanggap ninyo sa buwan ng Marso, Aquarius. Claim this. Okay, leave a comment now in the comment. Okay, I claim these blessings. Okay, Ten of Cups. Wow. Love of family. Yung energy. Let's take a look at your yung kabuuan ng reading ninyo, Aquarius. Okay, so layout po natin yung cards. Next, we have the Six of Wands. Ito sa buwan ng March, you will feel the success. Okay, aangat. Success. The energy here is success, recognition, self-esteem. Wow, Aquarius. Next energy, Aquarius, you have the King of Wands. Okay, mamaya explain natin to. Layout muna natin yung cards. You have the Four of Air or the Four of Swords. Next energy, Aquarius, you have the Two of Air or the Two of Swords. Mukhang meron kang pinag-iisipang desisyon, malaking desisyon, Aquarius, this month. Okay? Or maybe lately, mga nagdaang araw, nagdaang linggo, meron kang pinag-iisipang malaking desisyon. Okay? For some of you, hindi lahat. Okay? Next energy, Aquarius, you have the Page of Swords. Okay? Next energy, you have the Justice card or the Balance. Next, you have the Ten of Wands. Next energy, Aquarius, you have the Ten of Pentacles. It looks like sa buwan ng Marso, there's something na gagawin mo, Aquarius. You are motivated to do something kung saan this will lead to your early retirement, I tell you. Next energy, you have the Dreamer. Wow, there's a new beginning. You are divinely protected, Aquarius. You are being guided. You know, the Two of Swords and the Fool card. I feel like you are being guided with your decisions. You have the Ace of Waters. This March, Aquarius, sa buwan ng Marso, it's all about new beginnings, new emotional experience. It's all about renewal and healing. Healing sa relationship, healing sa finances. It's all about mabubuhayan ka, mabibigyan ka ng bagong pag-asa. Right? It looks like a lot of you, marami sa inyo, Aquarius, sa buwan ng Marso, okay, iwasan lang, Aquarius, okay? Be humble, okay? Because this success na matatamasa ninyo, for some of you, sad to say, ikakayabang ng ibang Aquarius, hindi lahat. For some of you, this is just an advice na, and also try to balance. I feel like magtatagumpay ka, Aquarius, sa aspeto ng bagay kung saan, nung before, nahirapan kang balansehin. Kaysa makaka-resonate lang. I think sa buwan ng Marso, magiging magkakaroon ng balance ang buhay ninyo. Kung saan before, I think, nahirapan, kung saan in the past, or sa mga nagdaang araw, nagdaang linggo, nai-stress ka, napapagod kang nagkukumayod, pagod na pagod ka sa pagtatrabaho, pagod na pagod ka sa pagmamanage ng negosyo, kakaisip kung saan makakuha ng pera. I feel like this motivate ka, Aquarius, na may gusto kang, I think this could also be a new creative experience, a new creative endeavor, kung saan meron kayong gagawin, uumpisahan, and then mamomotivate kayo, and it will bring balance to your life. Kung saan dati is parang nahirap-hirap kang habulin yung mga oras, and it also will lead to your early retirement talaga. And when it comes to your decision, Aquarius, I think ginagabayan ka ng mga ang anghel mo, ng guardian angel, to make a right decision. Look at this. The path that you are, yung bagong landas na tatahakin mo, Aquarius, is gabay. Okay, ginagabayan ka ng anghel mo or guardian angel mo, or ng spirit guides mo, na mapunta ka sa tamang direction sa buwan ng Marso. Wow, I love your reading, and it really looks like there's something about your family as well, at kalusugan mo is protektado as well. Protektado din. There's really something na I think in the past, Aquarius, pagod na kayo eh. You deserve this blessing, Aquarius. I think the blessing that some of you will receive, yung iba sa inyo mabibigyan, is napakagandang idea. A very smart, informative, transformative experience. There's something about Aquarius, if magaling ka marami sa inyo, Aquarius, magaling magsalita. There's something about your communication that there's something about yung communication mo na magbibigay sa'yo ng malaking biyaya. Something that, yung katalinuhan mo rin, Aquarius, with the Page of Swords, yung katalinuhan mo ang magbibigay sa'yo ng malaking biyaya. Okay. What else? What do I see? Yeah, I feel like marami sa inyo, Aquarius, you are, when it comes to your negosyo, sa business, I feel like marami sa inyo ay talagang kukumayod o magkukumayod this month. But iwasan lang ma-stress. Okay, iwasan lang na sobrang mapagod sa buwan ng Marso para lang ma-achieve ang isang bagay, either sa negosyo, kaperahan, or yun nga, meron kang ma-achieve, right? You will achieve success, but while doing so, while on the process of achieving, be very careful about your health. Try to manage your routine, try to manage your time, manage your iwasan ang magpakapagod ng sobra-sobra, Aquarius, this month, okay? Sa buwan ng Marso. Or maybe it's the end of that. You will really achieve something. I really do believe that you will achieve something with regards to your family, love life, career, trabaho, or negosyo. Aquarius, I love your reading. Sa buwan ng March, marami din sa inyo, if you are experiencing, kung naka-experience kayo in the past, panghihina, kalungkutan, sadness, pagkalugmok, this month, sa buwan ng Marso, mabibigyan kayo ng bagong pag-asa, bagong buhay, because the Ace of Cups is all about renewal, rebirth, and healing. It's all about healing. Healing physically, mentally, emotionally, and especially financially healing. Talagang 8 of the 10 of Pentacles, early retirement ang nakikita ko. Wow. I also see that you are being redirected to a new journey, Aquarius. Okay. Mayroon kang bagong landas na tatahakin, kung saan itong bagong landas, ginagabayan ka ng mga spirit guides mo. This will lead to your early retirement talaga. Yan ang nakikita ko. Alright, let's take a look at your health. With regards to your health, Aquarius. Ano yung mga dapat ninyong malaman? Any more messages regarding your health? Spirit guides and angels for Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements regarding their health. Any more messages or mensahe at gabay for our Aquarius? Aquarius, you have stretch. You have listened to your intuitive feelings, Aquarius, and hydration. Aquarius, marami sa inyo. And you need more sunlight. Aquarius, magpa-araw. Baka yung iba sa inyo, Aquarius, lagi hindi na nasisikatan ng araw, hindi na nagpapa-araw. There's something about sunlight will help you give you a lot of benefits. And, it will make you a lot more healthier sa sunlight, magpa-araw. Ako din, parang, I'm an Aquarius kaya kailangan talagang magpa-araw. There's something about, some of you sa mga ka-resonate lang ha, kulang kayo sa tubig. Aquarius, iba sa inyo mahinang uminom ng tubig. Okay? I feel like a lot of you Aquarius, laging, sa buwan ng March, I think sa buwan ng March, always keep yourself hydrated, especially around summer, Aquarius, okay? Iwasan, lalo na if pag naramdaman nyo na yung pagod, uminom ng maraming tubig, Aquarius. Drink more water so that your health, energy, and appetite stay at an optimal level and throughout your day. Ayan, that's the message, Aquarius, regarding your health. And also, listen to your intuitive feelings, yung mga kutob ninyo. Okay. It says here, yung mga intuitive feelings ninyo, Aquarius, it will guide you to your inner wisdom. Okay, para magabayan ka. If your body is saying na napapagod na, you need rest, then follow your body's mga messages na kailangan mo magpahinga. Ayan. And you have stretches. A lot of you Aquarius, you need stretching. Okay, so Aquarius, you need exercise, or there's something about yung iba sa inyo kailangan mag-stretch para siguro it will help you, it will give you a lot of benefits na mo-motivate kayo. So bago kayo siguro pumasok sa work, bago kayo pumunta sa mga mag-start sa negosyo ninyo, before you start your day, pagkising, habang nagpapaaraw kayo, taking that sunlight, mga sunbathing, yun nga, mag-stretch. I will definitely do this talaga since it's a goodbye for us, Aquarius. Ayan. Wow. So again, I think talagang ginagabayan ka ng mga spirit guides mo, Aquarius, to keep your body healthy, your overall health, overall well-being, your mental, physical, and emotional health. Wow. So, punta naman tayo sa spirit guides mo, Aquarius. What's your spirit animal this month? For our Aquarius, for additional message, your spirit animal for this month, March 2025, is for Aquarius. Wow, you have the bee. You are a powerful creator this month, Aquarius. You can create a life. The bee is a symbol of productivity and abundance. Yeah, your abundance receive. Your work, Aquarius, blessed everything you touch. Wow, there's something about your work or ginagawa ninyo will give you a lot of blessings, Aquarius. So continue doing what you're doing, kung anong ginagawa ninyo ngayon, and be open to receiving sweetness. Sweetness is another form of success. Yan ang 6 of Wands, kumpirmado. And you are the queen of abundance. Aquarius! You are the queen of abundance this month. You will receive a lot of abundance, big abundance. Wow! Aquarius, I love your reading. So claim this. Aquarius, ang dami ko pang gustong sabihin, but I think that's all for now. Let me know if nag-resonate sa inyo, Aquarius, yung reading. Let me know if nagustuhan ninyo by liking this video. Let me know if nag-resonate sa inyo by leaving a comment below. And if you want to claim these energies, mag-comment na kayo. Napaka-importante to harness this energy para mag-manifest sa inyong buhay. So, Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Maraming salamat sa panonood. If you are new, Aquarius, don't forget to subscribe and i-click yung notification bell para wala kayong makaligtaan sa mga susunod na readings. Now, I'm sorry, for those of you, Aquarius, na curious kung anong mga paninda ko, ayan, paano makabili, don't go away, I'll be right back for that. Magbabalik po ako para dyan. For now, ingat po, Aquarius, and God bless. Thank you so much for reading. I hope to see you again next time. Ingat po. Okay, so for those of you na interesadong makita yung mga produkto ko, you can search the items or my products sa website. But mostly sa website po is, by the way, this is my website. Pag type nyo po ng bonomagus.com, ganito po ito po yung unang bubungad sa inyo. And just scroll down. You can also read that para maintindihan nyo. You can just read that, and then dito po sa baba, every now and then nag-update po ako sa website just in case if ever ma-sold out yung mga items, tinatanggal ko na po dyan as much as possible para to avoid confusion, no? Pero for now, ito yung mga meron pa, available pa. So you have Prospera Alashan Citrine, may Gambler's Luck Karma Cleansing Amazonite. Andito yung mga crystal pendant. For now, yung binibenta ko is crystal pendant lang for only 100 pesos. Ayan yung mga crystal bracelet. Now, para makita nyo po ang description at yung benefits ng bawat item, just click the picture and then you can scroll down to read the description. Andito yung price nakalagay. You can scroll down and just read. Basahin nyo lang po yung mga nakasulat dyan. So, malalaman nyo yung benefits niya. And for some items, nandyan na po yung instruction. But, pag nakatanggap po, pag bumili po kayo, may marireceive pa rin kayong instruction na maliit na papel. Okay? Now, by the way, lahat po ng mga items dito ay dadaan po sa cleansing, blessing ritual, blessing ritual, at ritual po sa Latin. Yun po ang kaibahan ko sa mga ibang nagbebenta. So, if meron kayong gustong iparitual, libre po pag bumili kayo ng kahit na anong item. Now, there are also, ito yung mga bestseller ko. Kung naghahanap po kayo ng pangkalahatan or all-in-one powerful red string, andyan yung benefits na, andyan yung explanation niya kung bakit siya all-in-one at bakit powerful. Ayan, for only 100 pesos. Andyan yung mga smudge kit. Ayan yung mga ibang item. For now, yan lang po ang nailagay ko. But for more items, you can also check my Facebook page kasi most of the time, yung mga limited po na stocks, andito ko po pinopost. Ayan yung Aurum Kalinda Ithon Tiger's Eye Mantra Bracelet. Basahin nyo lang yung mga postings ko, andyan yung mga description, andyan yung mga benefits, so you would understand para malaman ninyo. Now, paminsan-minsan dito ko po pinopost sa Facebook page ko yung mga insights, mga information kung paano maka-attract ng swerte, to teach you kung ano mga dapat niyong gawin, all about related sa pang-akit ng swerte, pang-protection, anything you need to know about para umangat sa buhay. All of that. And mostly is about yung mga items ko dito, they are spiritual tools na hopefully makatulong sa inyong mga pinagdadaan ng problema sa trabaho, career, finance, pera, and negosyo. And of course, love life at kalusugan. Right? So, if may gusto kayong nagustuhan na item, ayan. By the way, always po kayong mag-scroll down dito. You can also check my photos. Ayan. May mga albums ako. Mga albums. Ayan. You can check the albums. Ayan. I-check nyo kung. And then, every now, pag nag-message po kayo, just huwag nyo pong kalimutan magtanong if yung ini-inquire niyo is available pa or baka hindi na po. Kasi limited stocks lang po ako dito talaga kadalasan. And mostly, 2 weeks na uubos na po yung mga stocks ko. Or wala pang isang buwan, ubos na. Okay, ayan. And sa mga nag-i-inquire about tarot reading services ko, 5,000. Ayan, if barya lang po sa inyo yung 5,000, pwede kayo magpo-book sa akin. And mag-message lang po kayo sa akin sa Facebook page ko po dito. Ayan, i-message nyo lang ako dito sa my Bonum Magus PH na may blue check po. Okay, mag-ingat po sa mga scammers na gumagaya sa akin kasi may mga iba ginagaya po ang Bonum Magus PH pero sila po, wala po silang blue check. Ako lang po ang may blue check. Ayan. And what else? If you are inquiring about, so saan mahanap tong mga menu? If makikita niyo yung dalawang linya dyan sa taas, sa tabi, nakatabi ng ng Bonumagos logo, i-click nyo lang to and then lalabas po yung mga pages or menu. You have the frequently asked questions. If may mga katanungan kayo, paki-visit na lang dito, paki-click na lang yung frequently asked questions. Baka, you know, to inform you yung mga katanungan niyo just in case hindi nyo ako agad makausap sa messenger. Okay, magtatanong kayo kung may COD, walang COD, anong mga rituals na ginagawa ko. Nandito na lahat yung mga posible pong itatanong sa akin ng mga customer or clients. Up to the question kung anong courier ko, nagpapaship ba ako sa ibang bansa, andito po naka-explain, kung may discount ba, kung may refund ba, andito po lahat naka-explain. And about me, if you are curious about me, you can just read here. Ayan, basahin, pakibasa na lang po yan. And ano yung ibig sabihin? Anong ibig sabihin ng Bonumagos? Ayan, dyan po nakalagay, naka-explain, nilagay ko po yan para maintindihan nyo. And then po ang pagmumukha ko, okay? For those of you, hindi pa nakikita ang pagmumukha ko, ayan. Ako po si Angel Francia Feliciano. And for awards and certificates, dito nyo makikita. For now, wala pa akong nilagay kasi sobrang busy pa ako sa mga trainings ngayon sa association. By the way, I'm a member of Spiritual Integrity Association or ASI. It's an American association. So, Association for Spiritual Integrity. Meron silang sariling website. Spiritual Integrity ASI Association. Okay, ayan yung website nila. So, sa directory, community, members directory, you can actually search me. Andito yung pangalan ko, Angel Feliciano. Ay, dito pala yung members. Angel. Ayan po ako. That's me right now. Nakuha nila yung picture ko. So, ako lang po ang nasa Philippines. Ayan, La Union. Bonumagos, andyan yung website ko. And then yung contact number ko. Nakuha nila. So, marami pa mga miyembro. Mostly are Americans. So, I'm a member of ASI. So, lahat po ng teachings ko nanggaling po dyan sa kanila. Okay, I'm a member. So, tinitrain po nila ako for coachings. Ayan, so for my biography, bas pakibasa na lang dyan. Sana, ang birthday ko, sana ko pinanganak, my profession, and then i-explain po dito yung mga professional expertise ko, yung pagiging psychic medium, ayan, lahat na. Pakibasa na lang po dyan. And for services, okay, for now, ang mai-offer ko lang is tarot. Actually, I have a certificate for distance Reiki, for chakra alignment, but then yung chakra kasi is dapat personal yan eh. Dapat personal gagawin. So, for now, hindi ko ano sa inyo sa, kasi hindi pa ako tumatanggap. Siguro pag someday or one day. Ayan. For now, tarot services. So, for this one, you can, mamili lang po kayo sa price. May in-offer akong 5,000. Yan ang pinakamura. And then, merong pinakabongga, if you can afford, 15,000. Dito, ito yung kung gusto nyo magpasar, kung gusto nyo ma-align yung chakra ninyo. Andyan po, naka-explain kung bakit, ano yung packages, ano yung mga inclusions niya. Anong kasali dyan sa 15,000. Kasama na dyan yung mga necklace, mga items na marireceive ninyo, at then yung bracelets. Ayan, and all other items pa. So, for yung pinakamurang may offer ko is 5,000 pesos. Yan, napaka-expensive po. So, mayroon naman mga ibang tarot reader na nag-offer na mas mura. Doon na lang po kayo for the meantime. Yun lang pong kayang ma-afford ang services ko. Okay? 5,000. Kung gusto niyo magpa-book, again, you message me on my Facebook page, Bonumagos PH, yung pong may blue check. Mag-message lang po kayo doon. And for if gusto niyo magpasama sa prayer ritual na ginagawa ko every Sunday or once a week, mag-submit lang po kayo dito. You click that and then lalabas yan and then pakibasa na lang yan and then you submit your name, your first name, okay? Fill upan nyo lang yan dyan, yung email, napaka-importante para ma-replyan ko kayo, yung phone number, at then yung prayer request niyo, and then click send. Ayan, yun lang po, dyan lang po kasimple. First, okay, a lot of you hindi ko ma-replyan, but doesn't mean na hindi ko ginawa yung prayer, okay? So, for vlog, you can check here, mga, insights ko, mga vlog entry ko. Ayan, what else? Magkalka lang kayo dito, mag-explore lang kayo. For prayers, every now and then, pag may bago, naglalagay ako dyan. I-update ko pa yan. And I think that's it for my YouTube channel. Andyan yung link. And for the Facebook page, andyan yung link. So, I think that's it, mga madam. So, hopefully, klaro na. Again, if you want to place an order, paki-message po ako dito sa Facebook page ko. Ayan po. Okay, Bodo Magos PH. Ayan. So, I think that's it. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig. And ingat po and God bless.